I know Prashant Sir Deshmukh from Pune from last 35 years. When I was traveling to Pune, he was working in screen printing material business, and later on he started his own screen printing material business, and the focus was industrial screen printing segment, which was getting nascent or which was getting ready in India during that period. Recently, 10 years ago, he started a bold new initiative of training company ScreenSet, which was main focus was to train the industrial colleagues and the printing students from the printing college more on the screen printing side, with active support from Sapphire Screen Mesh, the global leading manufacturers of screen mesh from Switzerland. I have visited ScreenSet myself several times, and I have seen they have some of the best equipments in India a screen printing training institute can have, like Sapphire screen stretching system, UV exposure, screen printing machines and related equipments. And I'm sure using these machines they are giving some of the most latest training to the students and the industry colleagues. From last 3-4 years they have started helping the MSME printing units by doing research and development on their behalf, as many times MSME do not have economical budget to do the research and development for some specialized jobs, and they have to leave the job. So ScreenSet is helping them by doing the research and development on their behalf, setting the process parameters and helping them in other related matter, so the MSMEs can happily do the specialized jobs of the other companies and improve their bottom line and overall help the industry to grow. This is a very good initiative of the ScreenSet to help the industry to grow further. They are also helping for complete turnkey setups for many companies where they have a particular printing application, by helping them setting the process parameters, setting the printing production facility, what machine to select, what inks to select, what materials to select, and this way they have helped several big companies to set up their printing setup in their total production setup, so that it helps the industry to grow and move further in progress and more positive way. From last 10 years they are consistently conducting the screen printing courses, which is very much important, and over the years they are giving due importance to the screen printing industry and its application and its global development to the students of the printing college, where they are not being given too much good knowledge of screen printing. So this way they are really helping the students to know what is the future of screen printing, and it helps the industry overall to grow and providing the manpower for tomorrow. Said they have played an important role in the Indian screen printing industry by training more than 2000 students, industry colleagues, and giving due importance to screen printing in the global parameters and helping the Indian industry in setting the better working environment, process control parameters, and overall helping the industry to grow in a positive working environment. In coming years, I wish them all the best, and I am sure that their result will be seen by the Indian industry by upgrading the knowledge, more professional approach, and more technical manpower supply will be available to the Indian screen printing industry in coming days, and wishing them all the best.